it was made in Japan, right? So, but with the name Royal. Very clear, transparent plastic case for the jail. The prisoner in jails. I'm not sure it was really used in the jail, or maybe some like a promo, or like to sale in jail. They make a promo version. I am not sure, but when I search, it's very close to the early 1980 silver Seiko in Japan. I think very close, or maybe exactly, but I couldn't find anything about the manufacturer company. Let me see more. Okay, everything fine, looks good. Yeah, I couldn't find. Let's see the bottom. Yeah, there is no any. Yeah. Okay, I couldn't find anything about this for the manufacturer. Let's see the behind. Okay, same thing, made in Japan, and then number MP, and then the serial looks like a serial number, right? 8244617. Except that it's hard to find anything. Okay, nothing. Yeah. Nothing. But overall, it's very similar, or almost exact with the silver Seiko from the Japan. Yeah, so yeah, that's all I can tell from the shape. But they accented the red point, right? Like this and like this. So nobody cannot hide some dangerous stuff or drug or message, because we can see everything, right? Yeah, because that's transparent, we can see, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's sure this is for the prisoner in jail. So except that everything is the same, like this. Yeah, see, like this. Okay, we can put exactly regular typewriter like this, right? Yeah, like this. There is another supporter, because this is plastic, and then just they hold each side one, so they put the extra support here. Except that everything for tension of the touch, high, low, maybe response instead of tension. And then we can also the red, and then for the stencil, and then the black. See, let's see some sample typing. Also the case is good. It is also said made in Japan. I can read it, but through the camera It is not easy to see. Let's see. Some degree. There is no any name of the manufacturer. But this is a very rare. Still, some marketplace, someone wanted to sell like over $600. I also watch on eBay, almost the same price, but it was sold a long time ago, but I don't know how much it was sold. But still, one is in the marketplace. The seller wanted to sell at $650, but the condition doesn't look like this. This one is a better condition. Let's see some sample typing. Okay. So black. It looks good. Today is Friday, so have food. Yeah, looks good. Let's see the red one. Okay. Change it. This one high. I find the sound is different. The capital one sound is much softer. Backspace. It works good, but lowercase sound is weird. I mean the more loud. See, but the result is good, very nice. Yeah. So not that perfect, but still it's okay. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Very rare, but yeah, very fancy. Even though they use it in the jail. I don't know how the seller can get this one. According to him, his father had this one, but no more. They don't use what they don't need, so they decided to sell. So I got it. I was lucky because it's on the way to my business trip, so it's, I can buy this one. Except the outside the transparent clear case, I guess it's exactly the same with the late version or early version, 1980, 1970 late version with the silver silk. Exactly, I guess, same. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's my opinion, right? I have this now, so I can get any question about this. Right? Thank you for watching.